My name is Keshwani. It's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn algebra. Today is our lesson number 117. Day number 117. We are in the process of doing the word problems from day 101 through 200. Let's see what we have for today. Here's the question. We are told that if the sum of two numbers is S for the sum, and one of them is T, the question simply is, what is the other one? If one of them is T, what is the other one? That's the question mark. That's all. Pause the video if you have to, come up with your own answer, and then you resume it if you like. Here's the solution. Let's pretend that the other one is X. X is the traditional variable that we use, traditional unknown to represent the unknown, the variable that we use to represent the unknown. We could have used U, S, T, U if you wanted to. So let's pretend that the other one is X. So we are told that the sum of these two numbers, one of them is T. One of them is T, and the other one is X. Right here, one of them, we are told that one of them is T, and the other one we are calling it X. So T plus X must equal the sum, which we are told is S. So now it's quite straightforward. We just want to find out what X equals to. How do we get X by itself? By subtracting T from both sides. By subtracting T from both sides of what? Both sides of the equation. You have to say that. You cannot be lazy like I was just now. So this has a positive sign in front of it. This has a negative sign in front of it. So they drop out and we end up with X equals S minus T. Follow. There's your answer. The question was, what's the other one? The answer is, the other one is S minus T. If you like, we can actually verify our answer. We can actually verify our answer by plugging in numbers for the variables and see if it makes sense. Let's do that. I'm going to use the green colors for the plugging in. If the same sum of two numbers is, what do you want to plug in? Let's put in 15. If the sum of two numbers is 25, if the sum of two numbers is 25 and one of them is 15, if one of them is 15, what's the other one? Well, it's a simple arithmetic question. If the sum of two numbers is 25 and one of them is 15, the other one would bloody well be 10. Right here. The other one would be the 25, which is your S, minus T, which is 15. Right there. It makes sense. The other one would have to be 25 minus 15. 25 is your S right there, and T is your 15. It makes sense. The answer is S minus T is the other one. Another way you could verify, another way that you could show that this in fact is the correct answer is by showing that if you were to add up these two numbers, see, one of them is T. One of them is T, the other one we are claiming is S minus T. S minus T. If we were to add them together, we better get S, because we are told that their sum is S. If we add them together, we better get S. Let's see what we get. Of course we get S when we add them up, because this positive T drops out with this negative T and we are left with just S. So this number that was given to us, T, and the other number that we found to be S minus T, their sum is S, as it should be. That's all. We are done for today. I will see you tomorrow. on day number 118. Alright? Thanks. Talk to you tomorrow.